Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these super cute kids pillows using some Dollar Tree items. So let's get started. For this DIY we'll be using 2 of these magic towels. These you can find around the toy section of the Dollar Tree, and I decided to go with the Trolls characters. But they do have so many options. They have superheroes and princesses, so check them out. So I just filled up my sink with some hot water. Just be careful not to burn yourself. After a few minutes you'll be able to extend them out, and I'll just leave them there for about 10 minutes. So once they are dry, I'm just going to go ahead and cut the tag off. And I did iron them a little bit because they were a little bit wrinkled, but just be careful not to do it in a really hot setting. So here I'm just placing them, one facing up and the other one facing down. That way we can start gluing around the magic towels to create our pillow. And the easiest way to do this is just using a glue gun. So I'm just going to go around the edge and carefully glue the edges together. And be careful not to burn yourself. At the bottom, we are going to leave a little opening so that we can fill our pillows later. So now where we left the opening at the bottom, we will start to pull the inside of the pillow out. And just try to shape the pillow and pull the corners. So now I just decided to add some gems at the top to give it a little cute touch. And this is totally optional. So now it's time to start filling the pillow. I just used some of the filling from an old pillow I had, but of course you can buy also some of it at Walmart. And then once you're done, we'll just glue that bottom part that we left open. And we are all done. I think it looks super cute. It is a great idea if you want to decorate your kids' room. This was just about under $3. I think for the price is a definite win. They have so many different characters and designs that you can pick from. So if you are at the Dollar Tree, make sure you check this out and give this DIY a try. Make sure you check out the links in the description box below, where I have additional videos on Dollar Tree DIYs and Dollar Tree Shop with Me. So make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any other videos. Thanks for watching.